Today we're swapping my Coleman CT200U's engine with the built Stage 2 Predator 212. More power, more torque, and a whole lot more exciting. Here's what it sounds like when it's done. Before we get into the swap, here's what we're starting with. A basic Stage 1 196cc engine. It's done the job, but it's definitely time for an upgrade. Let's start by removing the old accessories. Disconnect the throttle and the kill switch. If needed, pull the torque converter off that we'll be swapping over to the Predator. This can be a process and an absolute pain. Don't forget to loosen the chain beforehand, or you could strip threads when removing the mounting plate. Now the converter is off, let's remove the engine. Remember to loosen the last bolt with the engine flat, or you might drop your engine sideways. Here comes the good stuff. This is a full Stage 2 Predator 212 with an upgraded flywheel, 18-pound valve springs, rejetted VM22 carb, and a full exhaust setup. All items are listed in the description. Before we can slap the torque converter back on, you'll need to trim your oil fill knob due to clearance issues. After that, you're all good to get her on there. You can absolutely use the method I'm using to get the chain back on, or just use the master link. Now we hook the accessories back up. First the kill switch. Make sure you ground the right one or you'll have to starve your engine to shut it off. Second, hook up the throttle using the new linkage that comes with the VM22 carb kit. It takes some patience to get the carb dialed in, but it screams when you do. In the near future, I'll have a video on tuning carbs. Check in weekly for that. Alright, now everything's golden, let's fire it up. If you want to see this thing tear up the streets, be sure to check out my next video. Hit like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and please share it with a friend if you would. Stay safe, cutie patooties. Peace!